The release of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is just a few months away, and Samsung fans are eagerly anticipating the innovations this model will bring in terms of design, performance, and camera capability. However, those expecting significant advancements in battery capacity and charging speed might be disappointed. According to Ice Universe, a reliable source for Samsung leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts of fast charging, marking the 5th consecutive year without a noteworthy upgrade in this area for Samsung. While some users might find this lack of progress disappointing, it's worth noting that Samsung's Chinese competitors have started equipping their flagship devices with larger batteries, ranging from 5,200 to 6,000 mAh. For instance, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, expected to be released next year, is rumored to have a 6,000 mAh battery. This trend towards larger battery capacities in the industry may put pressure on Samsung to rethink its approach in the future. The decision to use a 5,000 mAh battery in the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be attributed to the device's rumored slim profile of 8.4mm. Samsung might have prioritized form factor over battery size, maintain a sleek design, and accommodate the impressive camera setup and internal components. While this may disappoint some users, it highlights the delicate balance manufacturers must strike between innovation and practicality in smartphone design. Regarding the camera, the device is anticipated to feature a 200-megapixel main sensor, 3x zoom lens, and a 5x periscope telephoto lens. This configuration is quite similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but there is still uncertainty surrounding the fourth lens and whether Samsung will increase the megapixel count for zoom lenses compared to its predecessor. On the other hand, Oppo may outdo Samsung next year in this aspect as well, with the upcoming Find X8 Ultra rumored to be slimmer and come with a larger battery than the current X7 Ultra flagship. Given the impressive camera setup of the Oppo Find flagships, which now come with 2 optical periscopes and lenses, Find X8 Ultra may still be thicker than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This might not be a drawback, especially considering all the photographic features inside, particularly if it also comes with a larger battery. However, the 5,000 mAh battery of the Galaxy S25 Ultra may still offer better battery life, as it is expected to be equipped with the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset and a newer OLED display generation that will lower power consumption. Samsung must prioritize improving the battery life of their next flagship device, especially after consumers have invested a significant amount of money. If they don't act quickly, competitors could lure Samsung's customers away. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 lineup? Do you agree with Samsung's decision? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Until then, take care.